Hello friends, today we will prepare South Indian special stuffed brinjal masala curry. This curry is most of the functions must item in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh states. If you are watching our channel first time, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Also hit on bell icon button to get regular updates about my videos. Items required are brinjal 500 grams, garam masala, dry coconut, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, salt, chopped onions, green chillies, tamarind, curry leaves, coriander leaves, tomato, ground nuts, white sesame seeds. Let us start prepare it friends. First we have to fry the taken 1 tablespoon groundnuts in a pan on stove for a minute. Now add taken 1 tablespoon white sesame seeds and fry it for a half a minute and take out from pan immediately. Otherwise they may burn and we will lose taste of them. Now let us prepare masala for the curry. We have to grind taken dry coconut, fried ground nuts and sesame seeds in a mixer as shown in video in a course. Should not grind them as a powder. In this mix we have to add chopped onions, green chillies and tomato and grind them as a paste in mixer. In this paste add turmeric, red chilli powder, garam masala, ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste and finally curry leaves and coriander leaves to this and grind them for a minute in a mixer so that all will be mixed properly and coriander leaves and curry leaves will cut as a course as shown in the video. This masala keep them aside as we need to stuff it brinjal. Now we will cut the brinjal. Take water in a bowl and add half tablespoon salt to it. We have to keep the cut brinjal in this water so that taste of the brinjal will not go by the time we stuff them with masala. We have to take fresh small or medium size brinjal so that curry will come properly. We have to cut all the brinjals like this showing in the video. Now in the cut brinjal we have to stuff them with already prepared masala as showing in the video. Do the same for all the brinjals. Now let us start fry them. For the curry, try take little wider pan so that our stuffed brinjal not break into pieces. Put pan on stove. After pan got little heat up, pour 3 tablespoons oils. After oil got heat up, add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds and fry them for a minute in low flame. Now add already stuffed brinjal to this as showing in the video and cook it for a 5 to 10 minutes in a low flame by covering pan with cap. After 10 minutes of cook, turn the brinjals into the other side to cook properly. After turn them other side and the remaining masala to this as shown in a video and mix them slowly so that brinjal will not break into pieces and cook it for a 5 minutes in a low flame. After 5 minutes of cook, we have to add tamarind juice to this. This tamarind we have to soak it an half an hour before and squeeze off that tamarind juice we have to add it. Also add 100 ml water to it and mix them slowly and cook it in low flame till gravy becomes little thick. After they cook for some time, check the taste of it and add salt as per taste and mix them well and cook it further till the gravy becomes thick. After 8 minutes of cook, gravy will become little thick and oil will come top, which indicates our tasty curry is ready. That's it friends, our tasty masala stuffed brinjal curry is ready. If you have this curry with white rice, biryani rice or Indian bread items, chapati, parota and all it will taste super. Friends, thank you for the watching. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In description mentioned the preparation process and also mentioned the other video links.